bastards. Welcome to According to Joel. Bienvenidos a According to Joel. Bad news and good news. The bad news is we're out of turbo. Possibly hurts because there's a little smoke coming out. There might be something else. Might be valve seals or something like that. Or, you know, the piston rings are wearing out. I'm at 88,000 miles at this point, so, you know, I'm expecting for something to go soon. I've been pushing this car since day one, since I bought it brand new. So I wouldn't be surprised. I'm just hoping it holds up a little bit longer. But if something goes...
Perfect.
Oh, then we got Seco eating tacos back here. The Puerto Rican eating tacos. He owes me some mofongo. Yeah, I'm assuming there's a coolant and then oil as well in here. And then there's the customized bracket. This is the one that holds the OEM wastegate solenoid on the actual turbo. We got the old turbo back here. I literally just actually sold that to another Accord owner on my Instagram page. I'll show you guys. This is the other piece, pretty important. It's a full race custom made piece, obviously. It's V-band on one end, and then on the other end it bolts up to the front pipe. So that'll be pretty crucial in our build. Come on. And what else we got? Oh, and then probably the second most important part, or I'd probably even say maybe the most important part, is this. So guys, this is the manifold. It's crazy to call it that. Some people call it the Manny adapter, because on the new Accords, or the new Hondas actually, they do the manifold built into the head. You can kind of see it there. So it's a single port, and it really kind of eliminates all the need to have the big manifolds and stuff. And then obviously this is going to go right here, just like that. There's a little 10mm nut that connects this here. Perfect. I took it off, so now it's free to go off. And you can put the pin back on there so you don't lose this. This is what opens the flap for the wastegate. This is what controls your boost pressure, basically. That's your turbine from your turbine from the exhaust wheel. And this opens, pushes the rod in and pushes it out, or pulls it in. That's what dictates how much boost you get. That's why this is really important. So now you gotta remove these little Allen bolts. There's 4 of them. And I got the last one right there. That's gonna be a little harder to get.
You have to look always for details. Details are the thing that makes everything work perfect. Look inside. All dirty. If you put this like that, you're gonna break the turbo in the first pull.
escucha chingón.